first started working on All the Way, we went up to ART in Boston, and it was amazing to see how they took what could very easily be a history lesson and turn it into an explosive piece of entertainment.
It's not personal. It's just politics.
On a show like All the Way, we had an embarrassment of riches. Brian was great to work with, and he was game to do a lot of different things.
For the development of this spot, we actually got to work pretty closely with the lead producer, Jeffrey Richards. We looked at a lot of footage from the 60s. We looked at a lot of political thrillers that would ultimately inform the look and feel of All the Way.
When we're creating a TV spot for a new show that's coming to Broadway, there are a lot of things we take into consideration. One of the most important things is, how do you take the experience of seeing such a powerful performance in a theater and translate that into television?
We get to see all of the facets of this character come to life. LBJ was quite a dynamic individual, and that's what we wanted to reflect in the spot.
The spot really needed a punch, and we were able to do that with the combination of the performance and these quick cutting graphics. We had a great team of designers that really went the extra mile to make sure that it looked like nothing else that was out there.
I'd say we had a really good time making this spot.
Yeah, you can check out more of our work at akanyc.net.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
Everybody wants power. Everybody. And if they say they don't, they're lying. But everybody thinks it ought to be given out free, like Mardi Gras
Beach, because they're going to do good with it. Nothing comes free. Not even good. It's not personal. It's just politics.
All the Way. Visit Ticketmaster.com.